Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn the array, what is array and how we can use array in Java. So let us start. We are creating a class array example. And here we are just creating an array. So in Java, what is array first of all? So array is a collection of similar types of value. Array is a collection of similar type of values, or we can say collection of similar types of variables. Similar array is a collection of similar types of values like this: int num, and we say int new, int I say 5. So this is the way to declare array in Java. First of all, we have to specify data type, then the array name, variable name, then this array bracket, then new keyword, then data type and size of the array. Here I want to store 5 values. So array is a collection of similar type of values. Means here this variable, this array variable will store the 5 integer value. So integer is the same type of value, means all the array will have the integer value. Like this I said 20. So this is the integer value. I say index 1 value is 40, num2 index 2 value is 50, then num3 value is 60, num4, then we have the value suppose 80, 70. So index start from 0 to 4 because there is a 5 value. So 5 value is starting from index 0 to 4. So if I say num5, that would be the error. Okay, because the limit is only 5 variables. So array is a collection of similar types of value, means this is the integer type of array which have integer value only. If we have a float type, so we can store float. So this is the way to store the value in array. We can display this value also using while loop or for loop. We may have a for loop, new type for each loop. We have discussed this loop in previous videos also. So we like this use this for each loop and we can print the value of n variable like this. So n would be the value of the array which we have stored like 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we have initialized here one by one. We can initialize the same value by using for loop also, or we can take the input from the keyboard also like this. We say system dot out dot println. We say enter 5 values in array like this here. So we are not initializing it like this, and here we are creating for loop, and we say int I equal to 0, I less than 5 because the 5 value we want to store in array, and here we can enter the value in this variable from the scanner class input dot next int. So where is input? We will declare a class scanner input equal to new scanner system dot in. So from where we will put this? We have to import the class from the util package. So like this, we import it from the util package, and here we will take next int. It will insert the value in I, and after that we can display this value. So just run and check, saying enter the value, array value 45, this one 67, 23, 68, 34, and you see the output. So from the keyboard we can take the value like this in array and we can display this. One more way we can create array, we can also initialize the array like this, and here we can give the static value whatever you want to give, but should be of same data type like this. So like this way we can also use this, and in place of this I can take data like this, and I can comment it also if I don't want to enter the value here. So just run it and you see 34, 5, 67, 89, 34. So like this way you can create error. By this way you can create error from the for loop. You can take input from the for loop, or one by the index you can also store the value like this, data 0 and the value like this also you can store. So as per the requirement and as per your choice you can use the array in Java. So this is the use of array.